Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, professional real estate investor, and today I'm going to talk about joint ventures because often people ask me, how do I structure my real estate deals? And if you've never done a joint venture, then this should help you understand it a lot better. What is a joint venture? A joint venture is nothing more than a short-term partnership. It's generally for one particular project. It's where two or more people get together and say, hey, you know what? I have this that I can contribute. You have that you can contribute. Let's put these two together and let's complete this project. Now in real estate, there are several things that need to be done, but two key things that need to happen in a real estate transaction is someone needs to come up with the money to fund that transaction, and someone needs to have the expertise to pull the deal off, right? Those two components are absolutely essential. And so what I do is I joint venture with people who have the money and I provide the expertise. These are usually people who are very busy with their lives and their professions, and they just don't have the time, and sometimes they don't even have the expertise to make these deals happen. We do the deals together, we make them happen. At the end of the joint venture, when we're exiting the project, the first thing that happens is they get all of their money back. Anything that's left is profit. And then what we do is we split that profit right down the middle. It's a good deal for them and it's a good deal for us. It's not unusual for our joint venture partners to earn a double-digit return because we find really, really good deals. So that's what joint ventures are, and that's how they work. So if you have more questions about joint ventures, go to our website at investbrilliantly.com, where we talk about joint venturing and other ways that you can invest in real estate. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Desi Arnaz. I look forward to speaking with you soon.